Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Jockie Music Bot Discord. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using Jockie Music Bot here on your Discord server, well, this one is fairly easy. How to exactly do it. Now, first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're the owner, or you own, or you have the proper permissions to add a bot into a specific server. But if you're an owner, you don't have to worry about this one. But just in case, just make sure you have the proper permissions. Now, in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on the Discover button that you see at the left panel here. Let's go and just click on it. Now, in here, you want to go and just make sure that you are in this specific section for apps. So again, apps. Now, at the top right, you want to go to search, and you just need to type in Jockie Music and just press enter. Now, you should see Jockie Music here. Just go and just click on it, and you want to go and click on Add App. Now, in here, it's going to ask you which server. Again, just make sure you have the proper permissions on that server. Let's go and choose our server here, and let's go and click on Continue. Now, from here, it's going to ask you to confirm that you want to grant Jockie Music the following permissions to the following server. Let's go and click on Authorize. And once you are, or you've authorized that, you want to just confirm that you're human. And once you've confirmed that, it should be added, as you can see right now. Let's go and click on Go to Fun Server or our current server. Now, one thing that you may need to understand here is like there are certain things that you can actually only do here. Just go and join one of the servers here. So yeah. So in here, you need to be in a voice channel in order for you to start hearing whatever Jockie Music is going to play. So just keep that in mind. And also, one more thing is like Jockie Music only has like a few certain let's just say commands they could try. So how do we exactly see, or what are the commands that you need you can actually use here? Now, typically in your server, they would actually add a section here in one of your text channels. So for example, if you go to rules, this is where you'll be able to see the commands for Jockie Music. So currently it has the M !play if you want to play a track. Now if you want to skip a current track here, you can go and choose type in M !skip, M !leave if you want to make the bot leave the voice channel, and M !setup to basically if you want to help set up certain bot features. So if you want to further customize it. Now, how do we play a music here? So I would highly recommend you to create a text channel specifically for music, because it's going to be a lot. So there's going to be a lot of things going to be happening here. Let's just say there's going to be music. Click on create channel. Now, in here, what we need to do is we want to start playing. Now, the great thing about Jockie Music is if you just type in M !play and just type in the name of the song that you want to play, it will automatically search for a song that matches whatever you are saying in here. But if you really want to have the exact song, just make sure that you include the artist name or the whole title of the song. So, like for example, Banana by a certain artist. Now, if you want to play specific music from a link, well, this one is pretty easy. Now, first is first, you want to go and just copy the link for it. Like for example, let's go and just click on the 3 dot option here on Spotify here, and let's go and click on the option for share and click on copy link to song. Now, let's go ahead and go to our current server. Now, currently it's playing the song Cruel Summer by Bananarama. So let's go ahead and just play another song here. And let's go and just paste the link of the song that you want to play. Let's go and just press enter. Now it's going to notify us that it's going to play the following song here from Spotify, as you can see right now. Now, since this is still currently the song, like this one, so this song here is still playing, what you could do is you could just basically type in skip, so that you could skip that song, as you can see right now. And it's going to start playing the current song that we just added in the queue. Now, the great thing about Jockie Music is you can just start adding music and it will just be added in the current queue. So you won't have to worry about managing the song. But then again, you may want to use the skip feature. Now, if you want to basically make it leave, like you don't want to listen to music anymore, well, yeah, what you need to do is you just need to type in M !leave. And Jockie Music will be kicked out on that current voice channel. So yeah, so that's how you add it, and that's how you start using Jockie Music Bot, and that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.